Welcome to the world of ham radio. Today, I wanted to share the ham radio model paper number 9. I have been continuously sharing exam model papers with a view to help to those people who wanted to prepare themselves for ham radio examination. Those who follows my videos continuously, they can easily qualify ham radio examination. Before starting this model paper, I am once again appealing to all of you, kindly subscribe my channel so that my endeavor to take up this activity, many more eligible people will be fulfilled. Prior to this, I would like to share my happiness. Sunita Williams, one of the ham radio operator, her call sign is Kilo Delta 5, Delta Lima Bravo. She is coming to Earth tomorrow, preferably. So, we, ham radio fraternity, expressing our happiness for this. So, straight away, I am going to explain about model paper number 9. In India, the 40 meter amateur band corresponds in frequency to. In India, 40 meter amateur band corresponds. This is the popular band. In fact, so all South India can be covered. So it may cover around 1000 kilometers approximately in the daytime, and evening, of course, it will be extended to the neighboring countries are also. So the frequency is corresponding frequency 7 to 7.2. Delta is the correct option. What is the main purpose of a repeater? Question number 2. The main purpose of the repeater is to increase the range of portable and mobile stations. Bravo is the correct option. Bravo. And the question number 3. What is the meaning of the procedural signal K? Here the procedural signal K is any station to transmit. Here is also Bravo is the correct option. Right answer. That means any station can take up the transmission. Question number 4. The maximum DC power permitted from an amateur restricted grade is. It is 50 watts. Alpha is the correct right option. How many characters can be sent in a Morse code transmission of speed 12 words per minute for a duration of 5 minutes? So 12 words per minute means total how many characters? So 5 characters are equivalent to 1 word, so that we can convert 12 WPM in characters is 60 characters. 60 characters. 60 characters. So at the rate of 60 characters, if we send 5 minutes, so total characters will be 300 characters. So right answer is 300 characters. Delta is the right choice. Which type of station may transmit one-way communications? So here options are there, 4 options. You have to select a correct option. There is no negative marks. Each question will carries 2 marks. You need to get 20 marks. To get 20 marks, you should be able to write 10 questions correct. Beacon station, it is one-way communication. It only transmits. It cannot receive. So, beacon station is the right option. Which should be used as a suffix in a call sign for amateur stations. Suffix means whatever thing is coming after our call sign, that is called suffix. For example, my call sign is VU2RDM. So if I am going on mobile operation, that means by a vehicle, a car or bus, I have to add this MO. VU2RDM, MO means mobile operation, so that the others, whoever is listening our signal, they will come to know VU2RDM is an mobile operation. So correct right option is MO. Charlie is the right option. Question number 8. Two bands where amateur satellites may operate are, so two bands 28 to 29.7 megahertz and 144 to 146 megahertz. These are these are bands can be operate satellite. So alpha is the right option. What is the value of RF bandwidth if your transmission is designated by an emission F3E 15K60? So it is frequency modulation. So you have to simplify this 15K60. 15K60 means that becomes 15K6. So in bandwidth related questions, there won't be any value after K. There won't be any value for 0. 0, you can strike it off. So it becomes automatically 15K6. So option is 15.6 kilohertz. Delta is the right option. Question number 10. What problem may occur if your transmitter is operated without the shielding? So here 4 options are there. Among this, the right option is it may radiate spurious emissions. Charlie is the right option. Question number 11. Why would you use a dummy load? Dummy load we use to either for adjustment of a transmitter or for a receiver. But while doing this adjustments, there should not be any interference to others. So for that to happen, to test or adjust your transfer without causing interference, so this is the option. Bravo is the correct option. Right answer. How many characters are present in a message that is transmitted 5 minutes 8 WPM in Morse code transmission? So 5 minutes 8 WPM. 8 words per minute means it is 8 into 5, 40 letters, 40 characters. So 40 characters, 5 minutes. That means 40 into 5 is equal to 200. Correct option is 200. Thirteen. The holder of an amateur radio operator certificate with the basic qualification is authorized to operate the following stations. The holder of an amateur radio operator certificate with the basic qualification is authorized to operate the following station. Authorized in the aeronautical service are wrong. A station authorized in the maritime, it is also wrong. Any authorized station except stations authorized in the amateur aeronautical or mobile services. This is also not correct. Right option. A station authorized in the amateur service. This is the right answer. Delta is the right option. 14. The Morse code for the character question mark. It is question mark is Didi da da did it. So Charlie is the right option. The frequency of a bandwidth that is designated as 2K40. 2K40 that you have to simplify like this. 2K40 is there won't be any value after kilo, after K. So it becomes automatically 2K4. 2K4 is 2400 hertz. Delta is the right answer. Question number 16. The figure in a receiver's specification which indicates its sensitivity is the RF input signal needed to achieve a given signal plus noise ratio. So Bravo is the right option. Question number 17. The maximum percentage of modulation permitted in the use of radio telephony by an ham station is maximum percentage of modulation. It should not cross 100% or otherwise it leads to distortion. So Bravo is the right answer. What is the meaning of the signal QRS? QRS means send slowly, send more slowly. So easily you can recognize. S means slow. Suppose if it is QRQ in this codes, you can remember like this, quick. Shall I send faster, quicker? Few means quick. Like this you can remember. So here the answer is send more slowly. Delta is the right option. What is meant by receiver overload? What is meant by receiver overload? So here 4 options are there. Among this, interference caused by strong signals from a nearby transmitter. So delta is the correct answer. If 2 stations are operating very nearby, so it will lead to cause some interference by strong transmitting signal. So delta is the, so then we can say the receiver is overloaded, too much gain. Question number 20. The wavelength corresponding to a frequency of 2 megahertz is, the wavelength corresponding to a frequency of 2 megahertz is that you can easily calculate. So by it is a constant 300 by frequency in megahertz. You will get the wavelength in meters. You will get the wavelength in meters. This is the formula. Here 300 and frequency is 2 megahertz. So we'll get the 300 by 2 is 150 meter. That is the wavelength. So right answer is bravo. Bravo is the right answer. 21. The digital communications FSK stands for frequency shift keying. Charlie is the right answer. VHF radio band extends from 30 to 300 megahertz. Bravo is the right answer. What are RST signal reports? RST signal report, 4 options. A short way to describe signal reception. It is something relating to receiving part, signal reception. So bravo is the right option. 24th question. The emission designated as J3E stands for stands for Charlie is the right answer. So suppressed carrier, easily you can remember. So reduced carrier, full carrier, and this is H3E, reduced R3E. J you can easily remember, J for jamming. Jamming means suppress. Easily you can recollect that suppress. The carrier is suppressed. So Charlie is the right answer. Question number 15. This is the last question. Which of the following call sign is a valid Indian amateur radio call sign? So VA3, it is wrong. BY7 is also wrong. VUC, it is also wrong. VU3AMM, it is the right answer. VU3 is a restricted grade. Delta is the right answer. So that's all about it. If one secures 20 marks by 10 questions, 10 into 2, 20 marks. Since each question carries 2 marks, the person who gets 20 marks will be declared qualified for this International Communication Ham Radio license. So with this, once again I am requesting my channel to subscribe. I am planning to conduct 3 hours free training camp through online Google Meet. Those who subscribe my channel and those who wish to join in the program, it will be conducted any Sunday. The day will be declared. So with this, I am saying 73. Bye, and I will come in the next video with some other useful content for ham radio license.